Hello. And here's this one. It's Beauty, Organizational Heaven. What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If you like Dollar Tree, come shop with me. If you want to see what's new at the Dollar Tree, then you're going to want to see this video. A lot of new finds for spring. I can't even believe it. Spring seems just so far away. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me to keep making videos. So if you want to see what's new at the Dollar Tree, then just keep on watching. Oh my goodness, all the succulents are in. Let me see if they came out with any different ones. This looks different. Oh, look. They have fingers. What is this called? Oh my goodness. It's a jade, but it has a name. Something fingers. And the cactuses look really good. I love this one. What other cactuses do you like, guys? Ladies? Oh, this one has white. This one has white prickers that look fake. Look at this vase shape. I've never seen this before. Pretty cool. And then look at this funky one. This would look great painted white. Spring type signs, nice and floral. Keep life simple. This says the same thing. Celebrate everything. Hello, spring, even though it's so far away. So close yet so far. Woo-wee. Oh, wow. Look at this plate. This would look good in my mother's dining room. Hey, here's the dishes that they came out with for spring. I hadn't seen them all together with this green bowl, but I did see the cups yesterday. It's pretty bright. This is okay. I do really like the pattern, but maybe not all together. It's a little too much for me. But the cups are really cute. This one and that one's my favorite. This is kind of a funky shape. These plates seem a little new. I've seen that one around, but not this one. I wonder if that goes with the set too. Wow, look at that big mug. Look, they even have purple. That's great. It's almost a bowl. Tons of colors. Oh, look at these. They're glass. Love that in every color. All the primary colors at least. Oh, look, here's more of these. I've only seen these in this store. We use these a lot at my house. These are an excellent buy. Yes, I'm so excited about these.
Spring colors.
Yeah. Love these new designs. But these are awesome. And here's this one. Love this. Oh, look at these. Those are like, could be trash cans. Oh, you guys, the organizational supplies are here. Why are they hiding this over here? Is this a different shape? It is. Oh my goodness. There's more baskets. Love this. Now look at all the other colors. It's kind of boring, but it's gray. That's my color. Whoa. Better get 4. They have these totes also. They have a bunch of new clear containers in as well. And then they have soup mugs, snack containers, sandwich containers, or whatever, food storage containers. And 2 of these, love these little things. I gotta get some of those. Look, they have big ones of these all of a sudden. I don't ever remember seeing this size. You guys, what do we think about these? Let's check this one out. Nice. Look at all the different kinds of gloves, all the different patterns. These are nice and soft. I'm gonna get these. I always go digging in the dirt in my bare hands and make my nails worse than they are. Oh my gosh, what is this? A flower pot hugger. Super cute. It's the last one. Oh my gosh, there's a bear. And then, okay, it's not the last one, but thought or picking his nose, but he's the blue one, so gotta get the blue one. They have animals. Look at these, a squirrel. Oh, and they have mushrooms. And look, there's a frog, an owl, and a turtle. That's so cute. And look at this. And look at this black little wind chime. Oh, this is pretty. I usually don't like this stuff, but that's cute. I like these pots. I think I read on DollarTree.com that they're supposed to be like rattan. That's what the texture is. And these are excellent because they have wheels so you can spin your pot around. Love that. I do think there's some new pots. These might be new. These have probably been around, but these I really like, and the texture on them would probably make spray paint stick to it. So this would be a great option if you wanted to paint one of these. Oh wow, look at these. What are they? Oh, there's all different ones. Smiles are always in fashion. Hello, this would be cute for my niece. Hello with a pineapple. Love these. This must be the popular one because there's 2 left. That's the one I like. Oh look, some new, are these square? Yep. Square little photo holder. All right, there's been a lot of new candles coming in. Good vibes. Love this one. Does not smell like good vibes. It smells like yuck. Look at this new candle. It's called Cozy Sweater. Love that. Let's see how it smells. It's not very strong, but it smells pretty good. Oh, look at this one. I haven't seen this in any of the stores yet. Get lost in this world. I don't think getting lost is a great idea, but okay. I think it means be a free spirit. Free spirits, where you at? I'm kind of a free spirit, I guess. Some love candles. Oh, look at these. They're like ombre, a few different colors. I can't smell, it's unscented, which is good actually. These are getting bought up quick in that color. And then we have this color. Oh look, there's even a green. And then I think this might be a new candle, coconut lime. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. And look at these. Oh my goodness. I mean, the packaging doesn't smell that great. Almost passed this little guy up. Pure tea leaf. Oh, it's fresh and lemony. Oh my goodness, I finally found these. I keep missing out on these and finding like one left. What can I do with these? I need to think here. They have a bunch of bigger cones in. I haven't seen these in a while. The last I saw was really small kid cones. This could come in pretty handy. Hello, you. You got this. I'm a daisy necklace filled with lip gloss. Let's go, girl. Oh, cool. But I didn't see this one. It must have sold out quick. I'm a lip gloss that lights up when opened. Well, dang. That's super cute. To go in a little Valentine basket for a girl. Body oil, coconut oil, and sea salt. Ooh, these are lavender. Oh my goodness, that's so funny. And look at these nail art stencil stickers. That's cool. I'm a makeup girl, but I don't think I need to give this a try. Just gonna leave it right there. Silicone blending sponge. Stop it. Now this, I don't think this is gonna work. I'd love to try, but there's one color, beige, and it looks kind of dark. So where's the rest of the colors, people? All right, some more Rimmel lip liners in store. Are they all the same color? They are. Oh yeah, Milani in this purpley color. Look at, what's this? Miracle nail hardener. And then there's some e.l.f. lipstick in as well. Some cute little hair things out. Whoopsie. Wow, these headbands are super soft. And they have it in different colors. And then here's those for when you exercise. It's a little belt and it'll hold like a credit card or your key. Headphones. It's great that they have resistance bands. Wow. These are great. Oh look, here's the regular cups that match the wine glasses that I showed. Look at these. What a funny size and shape. Oh wow, look at this. Body polish, French lavender. All this Bolero stuff. Soap, masks, scrubs. Oh, I love this packaging. Like a lot. Let's smell this real quick. It's sealed, but I can kind of smell it through the seal, and it smells very, very good. Let's try this out. This is a great thing to have in the house if you're a painter. I could see me using this on a stencil. Bathtub finger paint soap. Oh, a color twist bath bomb made by Crayola. Look at these cute little colors. This is popular color. Oh, and they have black. Oh, I might get the black. No, I'm not getting black. Flower, decor, and decorations galore. Look at these little bags. Baby shower party games. That looks pretty nice. Favor bag. Wow, they have so much. Then they have a little bit of wedding stuff here. This is the normal stuff they have. Nothing special. Here's little invitations, party boxes. I remember having this in my keepsake box forever. My mom must have had that at my baby shower. Oh, look, I showed you guys these. An abundance of yellow. Ooh, look at these gems. And then they have little circles. Hey you guys, someone was having a conversation, so I didn't want to record their voices. These books I stumbled upon. They're holographic in the front, girl boss, fierce, all these cute little sayings, and they had lines inside. This was like Notepad Central. Where did all these notepads come from? Oh, look at these clipboards. These are new.
Robin, you didn't see any back scratchers, did you?
Camels. Cute. Look at these furry little fellas. No one would steal my pen if I put this at my desk. Spring seems so far away. So if you want to see what's new at
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me.